welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and subscribe down below. So today I was supposed to work the beer cart, but I got cut because of the rain. So I was like, perfect opportunity to get groceries because I'm hanging out with my friend tomorrow after work Thursday, and then we are going camping Friday. So I have to get all my meals for camping ready and just some extra stuff that we need for the rest of the week. So I will bring you along with me and we will get into a grocery haul. So I did go to the Dollar Tree. They had so many goodies, so I'll show you what I got there first. This was from Amazon, but it is a USB flash drive stick. I'm going to put all of our wedding pictures and videos on. Oh, there's a fly. On here, so that we always have them in one spot, and I believe some of the links kind of disappear after a while. So I finally ordered that. It's only been a year and a half and I'm wanting to do it, so I just did it. Anyways, from the Dollar Tree, I found these plastic wine glasses. They say autumn leaves and pumpkins please, and I thought that was so cute, so I got one for my mom and I. So I'm gonna put this in the trailer and then give that to her. I got a rectangle tablecloth for camping this weekend. I wanted like one of the cute plaid camping ones, but I guess like they're out, they don't have them anymore because it's not that season, so that'll do. And I got nail polish remover because mine was empty. I got this little treat jar, and I'm gonna put a whole bunch of the Benny Bully treats that I got at Costco. I'm gonna put them in here so I can bring them into the trailer. I wish this was bigger. It's really small, but the treats are small, so hopefully it'll hold enough. I wish this was like double the size, but the one they had that was bigger was kind of like ugly and said something weird on it. So I just got this one for now, and then we can see. I got this eat, drink, and give thanks little sign for the trailer when we move in September for the fall time, because I wanted like a fall sign, and it's only $1.25, so I'll replace it with, I have one that says positive vibes, so I'll put that there for the fall. I got this e.l.f. under eye setting powder. I mean, it's from the Dollar Tree, so I'm not sure like what's up with that, but we'll try it and see what works. It's only $1.25, so whatever. And then I got this gel eyeliner brush. I really want to learn how to use my gel eyeliner, so I needed a brush for it, so hopefully this will help and make it easy to use. I got these sunglasses, and they're so similar to the ones I already own, and I couldn't find sunglasses anywhere, so we'll see if these ones look good or not. Again, only $1.25, so no loss there. I got this white placemat with paw prints on it that I'm going to put Riggy's bowl, water bowl, and food bowl in the trailer. Right now they're just on the floor, and that drives me nuts. Like right here he has a placemat, but that one's from Winners, and it was expensive, or not expensive, it's probably like $10–15, but this one was, again, obviously $1. And then I got this, what's it called, woven rug, and then I thought it'd be cute if I put this on this and then put it on the floor like that instead of just this, because this is just like kind of not, like it's just white and plain. So I got this, I'm gonna put it like this, and then it will catch any water or anything that he spills, and I thought it looked really cute, so I'm gonna put it like that on the ground. Okay, so here's everything I got. It doesn't seem like a lot, but it was just kind of like a fill-in haul. We didn't really need a lot. So I got a bag of milk for Derek. He drinks chocolate milk every morning. He mixes it with Nesquik. Some bananas for his lunch for work, and again, like, I'll eat these sometimes too. 2 peppers for this weekend camping. I'm gonna make sandwiches for lunch, and then I'm gonna cut up some peppers for the side and serve it with chips. Coconut yogurt for me and banana for Derek. this romaine lettuce for wraps. We're gonna have taco and buffalo chicken wraps tonight and just use up leftovers. I am making a what's for dinner this week, so that'll be up probably after this video, so keep an eye out for that one. A cucumber and tomatoes, and this is for my Greek meal prep recipe that I made in my last video. So I just ran out of these two things, but I still have the Greek dressing and the feta, so I just needed these to make a new batch for next week. Zesty cheese Doritos for camping. These are so good, and I'm probably gonna bring our Miss Vicky's also, but we have some of those. I got these mosquito coils. These were at a restaurant. We went out for dinner Friday night, and they put these out, and they worked so well. My concern would be like how toxic they are, because it says like keep out of reach of children and pets. Obviously, like, yeah, they're not supposed to eat them, but I don't know like if it's bad for my dog to breathe it in or not, so we'll see how they go. I'll have to research a bit, but they worked really well, so I mean, it was worth a try. Quickly, I'll go over my non-grocery items. So for lunch, Saturday camping, I was gonna make, you've probably seen it everywhere, the Hawaiian rolls that you slice open, make sandwiches, and then you put it back in the bag. Well, I couldn't find Hawaiian rolls, so I thought these would do. They're very similar. They just don't have the cardboard on the bottom. So I'm just gonna slice these, make sandwiches before we go, and then it's all ready to go. I don't know if it'll be like, like it feels just like I could just make it a regular sandwich, but we'll see. It's something different. Then I have this white naan bread. I made naan bread pizzas for my parents 2 weeks ago, and we still have some cheese left from it, so I just got another batch, and maybe we'll have that Wednesday or Thursday night, some barbecue chicken pizzas. Then this is gonna be amazing. So I was gonna make chocolate pie for dessert for Saturday night. We're all eating together, but I saw this recipe on TikTok from the girl who goes, "Don't mix it," that girl, and it looked amazing. So you layer the cookie dough on the bottom of the pan, then you put in a layer of mini marshmallows and chocolate chips, then you put in, she used double chocolate muffin mix, but they don't have that in Canada. I think it was like a Martha White one, and I don't think they sell that in Canada. So I got a brownie mix, and then you just put the dry mix on top, and then you put butter on, and it's like a s'mores dessert. So it's probably gonna be super sweet, but oh, I should have got ice cream to serve it with. That would have been, maybe I'll have to go get ice cream, because this with some ice cream would be so good. So, well, I'll keep you updated on that. And then over here for snack Saturday afternoon, I thought I would do like a little charcuterie board, but they didn't have boursin, which is my favorite cheese, so we might have to go without unless I go back to the store. They had Havarti and kielbasa, so I'm gonna cut that up with these Nan Crisp Great Value crackers. These crackers are phenomenal. I love Nan, so I was like, okay, I'll try these. They're so, so good. So definitely give these a try. They're really good. And then Derek loves this Fives cheese dip. I bought this to go out on the boat one day on a whim, and I was like, okay, we'll try it. And it was so good. So now I always have to buy this for him. He loves it. And then I did buy a chocolate pie ingredients just in case. So all you do is make this cook and serve Jell-O into the crust, and then half a container of Cool Whip, and I have Cool Whip already, so I need to buy that. So Nesquik, Derek drinks every morning with milk, half and half for his cream, or for his coffee in the morning. They didn't have a small one. I usually buy the small one, but they were all out, so I just got him a big one. And some take-home size peanut butter M&Ms. These are so good. Not peanuts, the peanut butter ones. So, so good. So I'm gonna bring these camping as well, just to have a snack. Now I have a few non-grocery items. So I bought the Point Perfect Plus. Again, I'm really trying to get down eyeliner. So this is the brown one, and I've heard it's really good, so I wanted to try it. I ran out of my detangler, and my hair is crazy and tangly, so I need a detangler, so I bought a new one. I'm pretty sure it's the same one that I've been using for like a year now. And then I wanted a heat protectant for when I curl my hair and blow dry it. So this is a Frizz Erase serum with 230 degrees heat protection and 24-hour frizz control. I could not decide between this one or they had a spray one, but I thought because I already had this in spray that I would try this one. So we'll see. And then I really wanted something to take off my eye makeup because I hate taking off mascara like while you're washing your face. I like to like try to take it off a bit before. So I got the Equate Micellar Water, and I was gonna buy the Garnier one, but this one is cheaper, so I was like, we'll try that one. And sometimes the cheaper ones are honestly better. So those were the non-grocery items. And then I also bought a book because the books in the 30% off section are my favorite. They're so good. I've never had a bad one. I finished one a few weeks ago, and my friend bought one for her trip she went on, and then she said I could borrow it when she's done, so I didn't buy that one. I bought this one, and then we can probably swap them. But it's her last holiday, and I can read this while we're camping this weekend. And next weekend I'm looking after those dogs I always look after at their house, and it gets kind of boring like watching my iPad there and stuff, so I like to read there. They have a nice sunroom. So yeah, that was everything I got, and it was a very successful trip except for the boursin. And what else did I forget? Oh, I think I needed to get more Tostitos, so we might have to go back to the store. So we're definitely gonna have to go back to the store because I just realized as I was explaining that dessert I'm gonna make that one of the main ingredients is the marshmallows, chocolate chips in the middle, and then you're supposed to break up graham crackers, obviously, s'mores graham crackers. So I totally forgot that. So I'm gonna have to go back to a different store and maybe see if they have. No, I don't think so. I was gonna say maybe I could break up my graham cracker crust. That would work definitely in a pinch. If I can't find any graham crackers, I could 100% do that. Okay, I'll have to think about it, but you're supposed to be graham crackers broken up in the middle of that dessert. Just an FYI in case you want to make it. And yeah, I'm gonna have to put all these away now, and let's get to it. My grocery haul. Stay tuned for my what's for dinner. Someone really needs to go out, so we're gonna go take him outside. But subscribe and follow me on TikTok and Instagram, Wild Country Lifestyle, for more recipes and lifestyle things, and I'll see you in the next one.